Hello all of my lovely YouTube subscribers. In this video, I will be showing you how I did this very viral makeup video of this pencil in my nose. So let's get started, and also too, I'll give you a tutorial on how to do this makeup as well. So starting off with this makeup, I was actually extremely sick when I went and did this. Not that it fully and totally matters, but you'll see in a couple of the different portions where the light reflects off of my face, I just look so beat and so exhausted, and I kind of was. But when I started off this makeup, what I did was I took liquid latex, put it on one side of a broken pencil, let the liquid latex go and dry, and put it into my nose. It's not fully and totally in there, but it's just slightly hidden by my nostril. I do suggest this as well too if you're going to go and do this makeup. Don't stick the pencil fully and totally into your nose. Don't do that. It's gonna hurt you if you do. But when you're going and applying the cosmetic to the upper portion of your nose, put a small amount onto the bridge of your nose, a small amount onto the other side of the pencil, and then just stick it there. You're going to need to hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds, and you have a little bit of time to go and adjust it, but also to make sure you don't get any of the liquid latex into your eyebrows. Then what I did was I took scar wax and I shaped it around the bottom of the pencil that was on the bridge of my nose. I used petroleum jelly to go and smooth it out, along with also to go and just blend it into my nose, dabbed off any of the extra petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is great for blending out scar wax, and then I went and I brushed it with red cosmetic. I brushed the scar wax along with also the tip of my nose. And the cool thing about scar wax, especially if you use petroleum jelly, after you brush on powder cosmetic, it really makes it look extremely real. After I brushed on the powder cosmetic, I went to the top area and I put a very small amount of black cosmetic. After the black cosmetic was down, I went and I followed it up with red cosmetic. Now this portion is definitely going to take a little bit of time, so definitely go slow with this because you don't really want this cosmetic to get everywhere. Sometimes I noticed, even with the cosmetic that I'm using, it's a water-based palette, but the thing is if you mark somewhere accidentally, especially on the scar wax, it just won't come off. But then I went and I followed it up with some fake blood. When you're using fake blood, try to avoid your eyes. It will burn. You do not want that in there. Then I went and I put some fake blood that was over by my nostril, and I just kind of let it drip. As you can see, it definitely felt weird. And then I let the makeup go and sit for a little bit, but this is what the final look looks like. Again, thank you all so much to everyone who has watched the video for my short of me going and taking this makeup off. I really did not expect the video to go and perform as well as it did, and also too just to go completely and totally viral. But thank you all so much to everyone who has subscribed within the past month span. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you. Halloween is coming up pretty soon, so I will be doing a lot more makeup looks that are pretty similar to maybe this or other ones. Please leave in the comments any suggestions that you might have for makeup. And also too, happy almost spooky season. I'll be posting lots of special effects makeup coming up within the next few weeks. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and have a great one.